Hello guys! Today I'm going to show you how to create a cricket match video using AI for free. This is a very interesting topic, so please watch the video till the end. It's going to be amazing. Before we start, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe now and press the bell icon to stay updated with my latest videos. Step 1. Generate a prompt. Using ChatGPT first. Go to ChatGPT and generate a prompt. You can type anything to request a prompt. For example, you can write, "I am here to create a cricket match video. Please provide me with a detailed prompt including the stadium, toss and match ending." ChatGPT will then generate a detailed prompt for you. Once you have the prompt, we can move on to the next step. Step 2. Generate an AI image using Canva now. Open Canva and go to Dreamlab. Paste the prompt you got from ChatGPT. Select the 16:9 aspect ratio for a YouTube video. Canva will generate an amazing AI image based on your prompt. You can also use Leonardo AI to generate images. It provides high-quality images with great details. Generate the all images one by one and download it. Once your images are ready, let's move on to creating the AI video. Step 3. Create an AI video using Runway ML. Now, go to Runway ML and click on Generate Video. Runway ML provides 125 free credits for generating videos. If you run out of credits, you can create a new account with another email to continue. Now, select your AI-generated image and paste the same prompt you used earlier. Runway ML will generate a stunning cricket stadium video based on your prompt. Download all the generated videos one by one and save them. Go in Canva, open Canva again, and go to the video section. Choose the video size according to your preference. Click the plus sign and create a 5-second part of the video. Upload and drag all your video files, then adjust them in the background one by one. Now, choose transitions between the videos. Click on Match and move for smooth transitions. Apply the same transition effect between all the video clips. Step 5. Add audio go-to elements and search for audio. You can find stadium crowd sounds or any other suitable background music for your video. Drag the audio and adjust it according to your video clips. Export the final video. Once everything looks good, click Export and select MP4 format. Choose HD quality and download your video. And that's it. Your AI-generated cricket match video is ready. Thank you for watching my video.